Welcome back, YouTube family. We got another unboxing. This time, my beautiful pistachio is going to do the unboxing. I'm doing the intro here, but my beautiful wife, my pistachio, just had a birthday recently. Happy birthday, pistachios. And I got her some gifts. Apple, the Ultra Watch 3, or what is it? The Apple Ultra Watch 3, whatever it is, and some accessories. She's going to unbox these shortly. Before she gets into that, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, and of course, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss a future episode. Check out our other videos. We have a ton of fantastic content, and don't forget to check out the second best book ever written. This book is motivational, it's educational, it's inspirational, it's packed with tips and tricks on how to save money, and yes, how to get free stuff, because this Apple Ultra 3 watch, I paid absolutely zero for it, along with the accessories. So definitely read my book. And listen, even if you guys do not like to read, I promise you, you will love this book. Links are going to be below in the description. Do not miss out on this. And do not forget to check out TEXITcoin. Listen, whether you're into cryptocurrency or whether you're not into cryptocurrency, you definitely want to check out TEXITcoin. Now, disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and I am not giving financial advice. However, I put money into this and my wife put money into it and I put a ton more money into it. And I'm glad I did, because since its inception less than 2 years ago, at the time that this video is being shot, TEXITcoin has grown more than 9,000%. And there's still a lot of projected growth on the horizon. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving financial advice, but I would recommend you check it out. I would recommend you do your own research on who's behind this. Bobby Gray, who has a tremendous amount of credibility, who has his own mining facility, who holds 2 weekly Zoom meetings that anybody can join, and he conducts live Q&A sessions, and he's answered several of my questions live. So I will tell you, I'm glad I got into this. 2 links are going to be below in the description for TEXITcoin. One is going to be TEXITcoin's official website. They will send you a cold storage coin if you decide to get involved. They will mine for you 24/7, one-time fee, and you have your own cold storage coin. Like I said, what that means is nobody can break into your account because it's on the coin with the QR code that you scan. And I will also put a second link, which is my personal referral link. So if you do decide to put money into TEXITcoin or you do decide to get involved, again, do your own research. But if you do, please use my link, because my wife will get a little bit of credit because we're the ones that told you about it. So we appreciate that very much. But check this out. Links are below in the description as well. So today we just went to the Apple store, and man, it was crowded. It was jam-packed. I couldn't believe it. People just can't wait to throw their money at Apple. No wonder Apple's the richest company on the planet. They have more money than Google. That's crazy. But the Ultra Watch 3, we got some additional bands, some accessories. We're going to go over that real quick, do some unboxing. I'm going to let my pistachio take over because, actually, you know what? Before she does that, let me show you guys something. Hang on. Don't look at my secret passcode. Okay, I think my wife might know what it is, but come on in, check this out, check this out. So this is my email, and you can see the date on here, September 23rd, right? Okay. Nike, congratulations on being, hang on. This thing is, congratulations on being a top winner of our Darren Daily Challenge. So if you don't know Darren Daily, he sends daily little mentoring sessions on the internet through your email, Monday through Friday. Thank you for sharing, Darren Daily. Enjoy your Apple Watch and AirPods. So we didn't get the AirPods, but he did give out a gift card here for $1,150. So I paid nothing for this Apple Ultra 3 watch and all the accessories. And there you go, redeem your Apple account, blah, 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 blah. And it was cool because at the store, they just scanned the code or whatever directly from my phone, and the balance was there, and we spent everything except for, like, I think, what was it, $5? So basically my wife got to go shopping today. But so it was free. Like I said, read my book. Did I mention I get a lot of free stuff? I get all kinds of free stuff. Read my book. But anyway, I'm going to let my wife take over, and she's going to do the official unboxing here. So hopefully she's going to enjoy her prizes.
All right, so let's open the first, of course, the watch. And let's see what's inside of it.
Let's see some of the package. Do they have anything special with the packaging? Oh wow, so there's the band. Okay, band. So that is the. Hang on, let me me get that in focus. Let's see that. That's the titanium band, and that was an extra $100. But again, when you're not paying anything for it, that's perfectly fine.
Says here.
Yeah, $200 for that band because it's a full titanium band. It's pretty impressive. Let me go over this real quick because this is a pretty cool band. Oh, you know what? I thought that was the actual band. That's crazy. All right, well, that's all right. We can unbox that here in a moment.
We have this.
What is that?
It's a manual.
Make sure you talk loud so everybody can hear.
Okay. So
Okay, that's kind of a nice looking manual. Okay.
And then let's see what's in here.
Is that the actual watch?
I think so. Yeah.
And this is the dark, I don't know what they call it, the dark
I like the
titanium?
pink collar in here.
Oh, yeah. I'm sure you can change the color in the watch. You can do all kinds of things with this thing.
So here's a
Oh,
charger.
wow. Okay, that's the charging cable. I wouldn't even open that. Oh, that's the actual charger. Never mind. Yeah, you're going to have to open that. Yeah, I think that's magnetic too, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. That's right.
Okay. And it's got the USB-C, of course. What else is in there?
Here's the actual watch.
Oh, wow. Okay. Just don't put it on its face, or don't, make sure if you set it down, set it on a surface that's kind of soft. They got that thing really wrapped up in there, don't they? And of course, you slide the band on. They showed us that at the store. They were pretty helpful. They were packed, so it was hard for them to get to us because there were so many people there. People just can't wait to give their money away, just throwing themselves at Apple. Wow. All right, yeah, we'll put it here so it's...
So I think this is my favorite one, the pink
Band.
And then...
Oh, look, wait a minute. Flip that upside down. What is that? Flip that.
It's the Nike pink.
Oh, that's why it's your favorite, because it's got my name on it.
Yes, sir. All right, so let's check the other one here. Well, I kind of like the style for this because you can easily adjust the band. But unfortunately, they don't have the pink color in this style.
I know it's pink titanium.
I would love this better if there is a pinky version of this.
But that's almost like a rose gold, this color here, this band. And I think this is a full titanium band as well. I'm pretty sure it was. Again, this is just the diagram or the picture of it on the box. But we're going to open the boxes here shortly.
And here's the adapter.
Oh, yeah, we bought the adapter. So, guys, this is crazy. When you buy a $900 or $800 without the titanium band, $800 or $900 Apple Ultra 3 watch, there's no charging brick. So it's like that's like going to the dealership and buying a brand new Mercedes and then you don't get wheels with it. Oh, you got to pay extra for wheels. What? You just bought a brand new car. I don't understand. Well, whatever. I guess they want to reduce their carbon footprint, which is pretty laughable, especially when they manufacture these in communist China with Uyghur slave labor, but they want to reduce their carbon footprint. They're so self-righteous. I get it. Anyway.
It's kind of hard to open this. But anyway, thank you for your birthday gift. I appreciate it. I'm looking forward for your next year surprise.
As long as it's free. We got to open the other stuff though. Let's open it up and see what's where's the brick? Where's the extra charger? Okay,
this is the adapter.
So the adapter was $20. Oh yeah, that's not the extra charger. This is the adapter. And this is a USB-C adapter. I don't know that we had any USB-C adapters, and rather than go through the trouble of buying one, I'm sure we could get one cheaper than $20, but we had the gift card, right? You saw it for $1,150, and we had $5 left after all this.
Band.
Okay, let's take a good look at that. Wow, you got that thing in there pretty good, huh?
Yes.
Let's take a quick look at it. Hang on, maybe set it so we can zoom in on it and see the band.
Yeah.
You keep moving it around. I'm trying to focus on it, and you're moving it around. Okay, so we can see the texture on that. That is kind of a cloth texture, and it's pretty soft, I'd say. It looks like the same on both sides. And it's got Velcro, right? And I don't know, this seems to be, I think, plastic here. These are the pieces that actually hook into the watch itself, I believe, on here.
Yeah,
these
this
pieces.
and this other side here.
Okay. So let's see the other bands. So they come in these fancy cases. which of course is the marketing, right? Oh, you gotta peel it. You gotta peel a sticker off, just like you do with an iPhone. Okay. Okay. Let's see it. We want to show the audience the how you open these things. So this is one of the titanium bands. This is the smaller band. It's actually intended for the other watch, not the Ultra, not the Ultra 3, but it can still fit on the Ultra 3.
Oh wow, this is.
I think there's a way to take it out without destroying everything, like a kid and.
All right, I got it.
All right, so this one is easy to actually adjust because it's magnetic. It's really nice, really convenient to adjust. The other one's a little more difficult to adjust, but you can see the texture on this thing. It's almost like a screen.
Oh wow, this one is.
Hang on. I'm trying to go through one at a time, and you're just tearing through everything all at once. All right, let's see what this is. So this is the main titanium band. This one's going to be thicker than the one here on the left. I don't know if this is rose gold. It kind of looks like rose gold. So with all this stuff, with the 2 extra bands and the charging brick, it came to just under, I think it came to $1,145 total with tax. Just about that. I mean, that's expensive. Wow, this stuff is expensive. It's a good thing I didn't have to pay for it. Read my book. All right.
And here's the main band.
Okay, here's the main band. And you can see the clasp on this main band, and this is also titanium. It's got black finish, right? Carbon black finish, whatever. And this has a different clasp than this one. This one is entirely different. This one's easier, in my opinion, much easier. And I think most people would agree if they had a chance to use it. Much easier to adjust, but it's not as thick. It's kind of a thin band compared to this one. This one's a little bit thicker. Let me see. I don't want to rub them together. Actually, wow, maybe they do look the same thickness. No, I think the black one's just a little bit thicker. Maybe it's an optical illusion. Anyway, you can see the black one's got a different texture to it as well. I like the black one. I like the carbon one, but my wife liked the other one. And she's going to attach this here. Here, you want to record me? I'm going to try to attach this to the watch and put this together here. I think I would be maybe a little bit better at that than you would. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. So guys, too, there's the bands are gonna come in different sizes. They have small, medium, and large according to your wrist. And of course, because my wife is a tiny pistachio, she got the small, right? So I don't know. Oh, and here's another thing with this band that comes with it. I think you I can't remember. These little knobs here, these little knobs on the ends.
Pull it.
Yeah, you push it or pull it depending on what direction. Yeah, you do like this, and it comes apart like almost like a seat belt, right? Just kind of unhooks there or unlatches. But let's try to get this thing in here, or this attached to the watch. This is a pretty cool looking watch. And what did they say? This thing does all kinds of things. It does everything except cook you breakfast. It can even. The sales guy said it can even tell if you're ovulating, which is pretty amazing. Wow, how about that? So if you want to know if you're ready to get pregnant, you can use your watch, apparently. Whoa, I don't even know how to get this other side in now. Maybe I gotta unlatch this. Let's see here. Does this work? Let's try this. No, that's not gonna work. I'm like all over the place with this. Wow, guys, this is tough even for me. Am I gonna be able to get this together? I think so. Hang on. I can't even tell what side to put it in. I guess you could put it in either side. Maybe I'm wrong on that. But it slides in. Oop, I just turned it on. So it turns on like your iPhone. It's got the little Apple logo, as you can see. Okay, there we go. All right, slid in there. There we go. Okay, so now, what's this? Let's see if it does anything. Well, apparently it's going to do something. I wonder how much charge it actually has. So there's a button here, right? And we haven't really done much with this, just what we did in the store a little bit. There's a button here, of course, on the left side. Here's a speaker, or what appears to be a speaker on the left side. And apparently it's pretty easy to sync to your phone, but we're going to do that later because we're not going to put you guys through the excruciating experience of watching us try to figure this out. I don't think it's going to be too bad, though, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did like it, give us a thumbs up. Thank you, as always, for watching, liking, commenting, subscribing. Do not forget to hit that bell icon, and we will see you guys next time.